for Joma. There was something. But Oma for Joma, mommy. It should be by. Father, I'm sure you remember about this. Now, when you're now call hospital, I saw the Nipam you do it here. That's what you mujama. Such an emergency about it.
Saturday or now was all the one.
Nippano watch moja.
Some is what my quiet farmer.
That's right.
Muja when you're hungry.
Yamana na spam. Okay, say ya de ketwa. When first near friend juice. The way when him de cano.
And only paridia. Yamina demand.
And so I didn't know produce.
Yamina demand. Well, how do I use your crab? I say the boys no. One more year you must. I mean with some names. I'll see a fine day. I'll say illegal and illegal.
Mini pay. But what you be there? Minubia what you be done campepa. Obet me akasa.
We say the boys no what you.
Oh, say I very common. Na won't me body.
Captain near maybe bagana. Send ye kwaku kan nyamra kwan so near be mra.
Obama buy $5 be pound. And sister patchomeba. We dey watch on spare my tom pen frame. On 03022 mpacho woni mo bia watwe bia nya na me se frame me ni mo bia watwe.
Ne wono atwe.
E wono watwe bi na ye ka. You know 0302216561216562
Wọ́n sẹ́ wọ́kọ̀ mmaa no so mu a ẹ̀nẹ́ mmaa no so bi yẹ career sẹ́ ebi a wọ́n pẹ̀ sẹ́ wọ́wọ́ oyẹ funu ni yẹ sẹ́ ntumi nkari baby no a yẹ wọ mmaa bi so wọ Ghana ha sẹ́ yẹ ọmọ so tu ọmọ si wọ no wa so awowo ba no wa wo de ama o.
Mbe no in vitro.
Na ya de wo
suana ne Beman hunsu no near the chef near the show.
Tesania abrofo no ye and ne bia
bagana. No for discuss either say the donor no. Yema bemana na yiri hia sperm no na se mani hono. Number 2, yeah, say akwala no be wiase a oye hwan ba. Yeah, it's a huge debate no.
As said, you hwem pa de nka de owo no na ene ba.
And some amene de ne ba.
Because you know there.
And also
my good morning.
Good morning.
But you be person be boldin ana wo okay. What you be down?
I'm here too.
Unya obeye.
Mina me da support.
What ko ho? Woni be bia mo ye no.
The problem is oh yeah, my ex and our friend were worried 5 years ne. Oniba. The problem is with them until our friend say, "Oh yeah, sometimes I'm check on per background see the unkofa kuboro be excuse me and see the criminal be this kind of only me. She was my ex.
It's not just say one contact
called me and she told me say this is the problem. Me na me business I no worry be on no see over catch me. So I was there I think last Monday and she called and she said okay this is the problem. One friend was sending me a message on my phone.
Until what agree sir?
Oh yeah, I've agreed. Honestly, I've agreed to.
Now, you're going to say yours is something else altogether. Depending your ex, right?
Yes.
And what worry na on to me woye. And who could donate to sperm and now with me insane.
Yes.
And to Obakos why or day
ex.
Now what's up you Akolan Waba.
Me, I'm married.
And is your wife aware?
No.
Do me person bisa bibi.
Bema na sisi o wire ne ex no. Bema ni nim de okwa akoye no.
Well, I don't know, but Adia na oma kan wasem dada ansana. All the country.
Wo be person be find it out from wo ex na husband no. Interesting.
Dabi. But I have me, but what they mean.
Can we do anyway? How?
I have me because I said, I small catch himself. I say, "Oh my God, some treatment, but a bit too dark. The man is better than all the go."
But Bemana agree, say, for be sperm, and yes, I'm man.
Me offer me, sorry, or sending a message. Me madam Poirichin or sending me, sorry, no, I send a message. This is what I want you to do for me. But the following 3 days, my friend Bishana said, no cano or a ship. And I say, and to some say, message say, Nico, you're responsible. So that would be the best way to live.
Me name what happened before both of you, but my relationship no essay. But nipa wanna know our hoda now we jawa. Mummy no one can worry.
I think so. No worry.
Okay, fine. Whichever way. Now wako worry now here spam because only the crewing to me wo now they will spam bemano. Still I think kakra ho.
No.
Oh, okay.
Honestly, if no credit, then wakache. Bibi ni she knew.
Now person obuano.
That is what I wanted to do. Bibi and she me huna say my sister and I say me uncle Bema. Excuse me to say.
Oh.
Let's say a hammer. Be a make catching me friend who can't. She was even crying. I'm hard, you know. I didn't know say obi had any be or say but me if I make sure be any fan here juma we membership na me nim say since escafo Ghana some guys escafo we are some pe baba ko munya a big company ni ko ni nyina big leading company o Ghana hire buy juma dey see am good in kwa
obi ye hununti ono ajim
captain wonim ne nanka me pese mbisa no ne nanka me pese mi hu se odonate sperm no ma oba no wie a na oba no wo a akwada no obepese wo beben ni bi eno ni problem no eno nti na ni omukro omu ye bi no se woni pakro ye the sperms ne egg no se obi na akawi a yem ma wu hu omumpo would carry akwala na ni agye no eye maako na omo manipa ne ben wo mo na wo ma hwedi
wo ni wi akwa no ye ma wo hu akwa
evisa ni e okay cutting enu nti na nakwaku bi se bibi se ni e keka konodo no da so wo ho ana woni
o de me yen hwe se odo na so odo no ye pe wo mo tibi donate sperm
cutting wan hwe ya da chi no de akora no tweten wo ba no
edu that discussion I be
yeah,
discussion. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Ebusiana to say.
Adom here.
Good. Obe person obe boarding.
Debbie.
Good. Okay. Why you be done as I fin okoye?
Captain, makura dia horo treton. Ahodo miensa.
Why imprensa?
A fee na me babe a home yensa and me no de ma try bane mai
what try ba ko na mai
ma try me no ne ni say no yet e mai omo nyina ware
no okay na wonim wo mo dada
minimum me no dada
wo mo yen na fofo na so no mo so your ex
ba ko ye me ex emiru ne de me bi hia wo mbia me ye adwuma na ni kunu adwuma wo mo ye no wo mu gina eja ho bebre wo mu gina eja ho ntino ba ko ne de according to only say enyi second one also no ni kunu na warrior for some in say 3 years but problem one ko check am wo say be man de ntumi wo man nyi
entino wo ex ne de so donate man still nyinsen ne mai
but ba ko ne de ne buy ne say
ba ko ne de ne buy ne say
about somewhere March.
Okay. Wo ex no woni ne wo ho no munyem ye ma bi say anasem ko yiye
debi ya nya mama na anje yentuma nya enye say ye boy ho ban ye ma nyinsen ya ma.
Okay. Na ono ni kunu no ya we say ye wo na wo be ye.
Ni kun ya we.
No so ya we.
O ka che ni say obekwa koya ba.
Okay.
Hujeba we no. Ona di woni mi ne ba ko beje so ni so kwa koya ba.
Endru ho de ba sanka eyeyie na wanyem na akola no abawia sanka be pese obehu ba no.
Whoa, back on my testimony message, Ebisa me say, Anquala ne Badajia, you plan me say, young two, say, Anquala ne Badajia, made you woman, I say, made you woman. So, no person any piano. Back we don't do on while crying on will be no hobbit. Nipana be giant just recently, and Nini, baby, when you do know so nyaba. So, or born a homody, I say, Memomodi, and I'm one when you're by Yasadi, and I just say, Mukwasiana, because of whisker, and that when 40 years plus, until I was still to Minaba.
Hey, Obano.
Obano.
Okay. Hey.
Captain, men will go backwards into me. We are messed up for a bidding come away. You're from your father also group on the being Tidor.
Oh, fantastic. And yeah,
wouldn't you pa?
What a young monk come over the energy. Bye. Okay, young father, next person. With your donate you know that I'll call the third one. Hello, good morning.
Morning, opening up to say.
Nyamiado me hoya na on swear.
Let me be social.
Good. Pacho, obe pesa obe bolding.
Me din the out answer because me be sued on it.
Ah. Ugo so chema.
Me chema.
What more you saying? Catch me. But we are then not getting involved. We are then ukum. Why not do yeah.
First time no. Man be na approaching. Na approaching, you know. About say no person me any be no, but man pene. And he offer me 50,000. But man yet. Later na say na or the no she share me. I say na or de ebe tuja. I can see you say no person here man. Na make sense. And I'm sure I know they are fine. Meeting me but say me in the daddy. And we are out. And to McCoy and our man 15,000.
My minimum 15,000 cedis.
15,000. Put your demand or transfer to my account, grandson.
Dear Ben Crana,
David. I was say the Baoka natural. I will be few. Voice our person would they do who see no. Because I could be a
once Obiasha say
One say
that's a serious thing.
One say captain. Na me ka say aba enti mre wo say techire ye no.
Nim say e wo ho. But binim say ex ne for wom sa.
Na anya wo es na wan hwe ye ne akofo obi na abehwe na ne dankama bomu a wo be wo ba no wati free. Enti na wo hu obi a wonim no eno no ye no. What I say? One in Mpana da wonim no. Nti we na me pesa wo ye ma me.
There be
eno no yes sing.
Na enti watch. Yem fan say wa worry adukumi. Ex na me. Na obeka che okunu so obeje me spam.
From a mema no ani o makasa ni nyina no bia ni ho no mo oba ni kunu nim.
Enti say okay. Me spam na ma.
Lovely.
Na utime nyem na wo akoda na.
Na ye de
wo be pese me hu me ba no
ho na problem no
wo ankasa personally nyemra no wo be pese me hu me ba no
se me nye bi na se meye de a wo no a wo be yesa wo be donate ama me na wo sa me no call agreement say akwada no wo mehwe no kora wasaba senior patron line kate to asoma me
okay enti ono my men dey introduce ma obi for also my men dey to say ne ba na nyi kwa be MC6 or 7 fortunately no oni mo say me was tribal market fortunately bi wa kwala no
na che say eno no ye ahyenso de che say wodie nie
yes
na che say de okay de akwala no hu no
o mi hu no
oba won chen
on ma men chen but we are in one of my program, Joy FM program, so we met at Botanical Garden Hall. And Tiname Shab.
Now, and so want to be in chain.
About me, my man, I arranged a by and at Nico, so I bet you nada. But later, I asked her, say, my husband, aware now. And was you, it's something that both of them normally agree as on these things. But and then the first time watching husband say, "Men I'm a boy, I'm a boy." And once you introduce him another person, which I got about 30,000 from there. They say me was 2 outstanding. I say me anyway.
Oh, 2 now. Why you know? What's our 2 outstanding?
We were 2 outstanding. I say me.
Ne none reaction to say.
After now we talk.
Huh?
A woman offered me a bon come me bought business and come. In fact, even for introduce me to business be crampo me a man.
We introduce you to business be a way man or
me a man. And yet on donation me other business be a me.
What dream said Dakro Kasa Obajoba.
David, any my dream, sir.
Akwala ne ba wo nchen wo mo introduce you which say den when you fiancé idea say uncle na bra na say den
there you am the plan by no me ma e wo me nchen enti no no mu di agro Adam is so me here ni shisho kaka but I saw the mark. In fact me who mark and me am share me kaka and I didn't see it.
Oh your ba na say bema
bema
osel on sell
David.
What's that way?
I don't know. On send my name, so on send papa.
One case, are you married?
Yes.
Where you are where?
Second one, I'm a catcher. First one, the mama. Second one, my friend said, you say, I'm a your kind say, just be careful.
Jim FM.
Later, night, you're doing what say, hey. Na me kɔtwe ye de me kɔyɛ sakawa ye de me kɔda afia enti na de hospital kra na me careful
enti say no who ba outside o marital home ana
me fani sa mwa no mu hia na me bo
okay second one na ukɔyɛ no so wanyem
ano so ne ba no 3 years and so konya 3 years
ano so konya 3 years ono so ehunu da
on ye be hunu da get the picture no mo send man
oh okay I'm sending a picture now beautiful ubekwaso aye
I think say 2 year woman me we are major
okay now second one no osel kakra
ano so nsem ano crowd we kokopa I don't know nesu me koda
ono ye kokko ne maame ye kokko oh okay and ne maame kalaji ne ho de nchen wo de no wan kasa wo masai
me wo
mamie no wo be wo biom
David I don't think so
okay and the first one unya 15,000 the second one 30,000 30,000 and the let's just say no crown is $6,000 no some the year cano okay emano nkwara na maame na ya omo frɛw
David
maame fo ne de omo mfrɛw
amu frɛ papa ni mu first one no papa no and because of business in talk or penny power Ghana to say me boni dia yembe show
Enti mokoye won kan ha ya na asa mokọ ba bi foforo na koye enkran ha ya oh okay very good to you ukoye ba kunya na chese wa yem prince also wo 2 outstanding say business
I learned sense for you me e be a move but what me side near my but me say for you and yes that nothing
when na da wo na da wani ma wo ka se mark bi o wani ma na say wo nsa ho ba bi na wo nan ho ba bi
o ma so ho
waso a bet mark
yeah
say ya wo na wo de no wo ho
e bi so o me ma no
e bi so o ba no ho na bi so akọwo no nso ho na second one e bi wo no ho
second one me who in person
wunya hu in person wow okay senior mame da wasena Yebesa kasabi why? That's
come on.
That's it.
Captain, once away or yet for one no funny say business no ye on ye jealous and media chida bepe mano.
Yeah.
But so you be ye greedy. Unya bema bia, why not drink so one say be a nipana rise a bepenna. One share ya no a bedi chile, and I may buy one for ya. And easy.
Me, as I sit here, and you whom I mean. No.
Debbie, say a be a radia Adom. Na erade do akogina baabi
gina pain
na nipa na ba you know say de o mai mu ye no ma site
there be one hweme
enya akwa no me kan warefo no
awarefo no be dey
me na
okay wo dey me ba hello good morning
Captain.
Yes sir.
Yeah
pacho ma mintio o be pese obebo udin
pacho dey.
Why you be pen na fe na obi introduce you into it?
Captain, the me many aso for me who say a man for problem our Ghana. Me bida but me nya obi a o pese me mo na meboa no. What you say?
Wonya bida na wonya obi a o hia mo abeboa no.
Eboa ne papa.
Wo yere.
No yere.
Obeka kire wo yere.
Oh, daddy, and the Miami business.
Oh, there be say sir, and the two shall be one.
The Pachoti.
Metie.
Oba yoba. Oba to Sebema. Oba to me and funny maybe see.
Okay. But Mamma now I see you better try come on.
Captain. I know SB. I don't know crap me home. I mean home wife. Up to now. On way. But worry, I worry pampas on way. Who the business part and nothing to my wife and so. No could ankwala makuma 5. What I say? It is
now wife now 5 and some worry no.
No. Me now 5.
Okay.
Me whom yes no. I mean you my wife cry. I mean what you cry. Me my wife a woman 5. If the business will hear more not to suffer me. Oh why not? What I say? I'm a fool me am wapa. There be a big jack of the basa so. Now there be ankwala and go forma and abesma. Said you na back from pa, it's in the nature of rest. If you point ya, almost mean for you. Almost could test campo, no be could test cow, but sham collect over do a tree. Not so maybe, no diabaso, or throw buano, bit mamma scassi, and as a bit mabazia. And then I meet memoir, while mammy campa, and I mention no Tankwala 5. It be in a quack of your home man's one day. And I don't watch your man, so made a channel. I don't say beer. Piano.
Okay, Pacho Medasipa. Tigo, where there because it's a live show, he's on this phone. I'll say on why you be that Intine Nipano Yeman or didn't call US, I don't know. Or phone so then Casa or the Babani at the NATO so. Our line so. Okay. It was from fan chance, yeah. From it's a live show.
BBI live.
Dr. Kofi Amani Ampon, a fertility specialist. Jubail Hospital. Doc, good morning.
Morning.
Doc, let us say.
Yankopo adawur ma ye ho ye namuso e.
Yenso nyame adom, yenso ye ho ye pa. Doc, this issue of donating sperm, is it real?
Mami nkoma chikakra na min ka bibi about nipa senya nyinsɛn ne awo etitie wa hu sɛ nkrofo bi wɔ hɔ a na wɔn sɛbi wɔn ba wiase a na nyinsɛn ho abɛyɛ din ama wɔn.
Okay, today and the Embrame question, so is it real?
It's real. Until na me come na matimi di aka why are real.
Okay, to patch out to us.
Na ya na ye dwumi se e yo ba no kwa na mom ye hu se nipa du wo mo aware na aware fo du emu beye wo ma ye ntimi en fa ye funu no uhwemu a na fort no ebetimi afiri oba no anaso afiri bɛrima no ɔbaa no emu bɛyɛ 9 edu no 9 ɛna ya na afiri ɔbaa no 9 no so firi mɛrima no ɛna mmienu aka no ɔbaa ne bɛrima no deɛ nti sɛ ba bɛrima no deɛ na sɛ yɛ bɛrima no a na ɔsɛ yɛ boa no ɛno nti ɛna ma sperm donation yɛ sperm donate no ɛyɛ real no na it is a donation no to say sɛbi wo donate wo blood ayemiye wo hu sɛ wo yɔnko nipa no ho aka kakra na wo hia moa nti wo yi wo mogya de ama no ana so wakoma burukyire ana wakoma wo yi de wo ka sɛ sɛbi eba sɛ ma firi mu ana mi firi mu na makoma no de ma wo bi na be yi a mo mfa ma no ana so kidney also me free mo aye me donate me kidney me kidney mo fa ma obi sa na we sutie obi a sabi oni sperms dodo etimi ma oba timi di nsen no ya say yeshwe bema ma o donate the manu upa bia obetimi aye sperm ni pa ntimi nye ana koshso ni pantimi nye obi ma o donate e ma ye.
Okay, Timpacho. Okay, now it can be established a real matter no I say, but me question ne say mo hon how we be
fertility center bia fertility center bia wo wias bia wo mo yebi fertility center bia yebi.
Okay, it's no
the madin kaya kase nipa ntimi nye nti de sɛ wo yɔnko nipa na ɔde bɛkyɛ wo ɔbɛ yewa yemye no wayi ni de ma wo ma ye de adwuma.
Okay, so in this case ebana sa nipa no obedonate na okɔ ana wo ma ni hunu sɛ kodwo na de ma akosua
ti ade na ni sɛ te sɛ wo mogya wa ba na wo so be yi de ama wo bie ni di kan no voluntary wa na wayi wo sɛ wo de ma wo de ye de aboa wo bi ni etoso mi no ni sɛ wo so wo ba ye bɛhwɛ sɛ wo so ye kama bibia wo mogya ni wo bibia ni wo suban ni ade ni wo suku a wakɔ ni nneɛma nyinaa ye sɛ edi mu a sɛbi wo ye nipa wo di mu a wo de wajapade gya obi a ɛyɛ nti saa na etie ni ɛyɛ no nti ɛyɛ reaction
enti de mi busan sɛ nti mo na kyɛ sɛ mo wɔ sperm bank wɔ hɔ.
Fertility center bia was sperm bank.
Oh, okay.
Na tora bia nya sperm bank no nko but yi no mu so timi de ye but sperm bank ni de ne ye ni say bia wo de wo yire entimi fa yefunu no ade no ye wo yire ni fault na nya wo de nya wo na ye fault na mom time ye be use sperm no de aye adwuma no na wonni ho bia watu kwan wo betu kwan enti ende no aba be yi me ya store ene de ye wo a wo de sperm ayi enti na ye sperm bank.
Okay, to me I met me the sperm abesie.
Yes, wo betimi do sperm abesie.
Mo je to bank wa e din na science asai.
Oh, etimi che betimi de be mfie aduonu kura na e wo ho.
20 years.
Yes.
Okay. Sir obi ba nipa ni na no mpeso mo hu nipa o donate ama o mo ana se obi tumi ba na aka se de mo wo mo bank ho no se eye free dia mutumi de mo obi sa ama ne de call.
Obi wa ha ba obi yi dia ma obi sabi wo akura utimi di nipa ba wo ho se wo de untimi wo de ne yesenye enti wo nua bi ana wo obusuani bi a wo so obi yi ama wo na obi yi ama wo tisani amaami bi ha wo yi ne kidney de ma ni kuno obi wo hosusu dia wo no de ne de wo simi yi na mo de mo mfa ma obi sanity.
Eti se me fan se oba bi ba mo fertility center ho na se oni obi order ne ba mo obi ho a readily available mo betimi e de ama no.
E won crofo ho a wo mo ade wo mo din aba ti se ne kidney any blood so wo mo de wo mo din akosa se mo hia me a wo frem na me meyi me mo jam fama wo bi sa na we no so tie.
Aya mutu amuka.
Wa usa uko yu moja ya ni ama bilo bi ma wano sana yesu ye no enye katia na mo mo so ye ma sebi nipa no na ni so kakra na so wo hu se wani aso sa ntinya dia ye katia na mo ma tisani awako yu moja na obi se ye ma wo se ye milobia na bibisa nti enya katua na mom wo a wo de de beba de ene sane oni ni pakro hye ye nim ho asem
na mo ankasa mo won hyehyɛ wo ho a sɛ koba ne sɛ ane ɛyɛ me nipa no na mebeyi ama asemasi a mo won hyehyɛ bi wo ho a stop wo mo from say bia obekwa akọ claim akwala na sɛ den.
Oh, sani pakro no hu ni pakro no so ni no so dia ene ye wono ani busiania ye wo se ho ba wo se sign krata bibiri wo hu nya se wo ba ya ni aye dabi wo ma ye concern wo pini so say sa
enti mo conditions wo ho
ye wo conditions wo
patwe bi ni de he
edi ni se wa ye wo pese wo be ye dia aboa wo bi na wo di boa wo bi no edi na wo adenti na wo pese wo di boa wo bi niam no bebri wo ho a ya ye bisa edi ye
okay doc mame empacho emma no so mehu se emma no so nkosua na wo so donate bi
eye manu sama kan se so do ho a na wo na emma no wo mu nchirechire mu bebiri se be me de se odakro wo ba fra mi se me meka ho asem nyina na mo do ho a na manu bi wo ho a na eye ni kosia asem wayari ni nkora brim na so wabo abro wa anya ni ntem ni kosia na sei nti ni nkosia no sɛ ya meke so hia obi so nkosia na ɔde ayɛ nipa ntimi nyɛ kosia dabi ɛsɛ ni ɛwɔ hɔ dada na ɔde yɛ
okay na pacho mema ne de no sɛ obi ba na obedonate a moyɛ den na motwe
ɛne de mintimi nka no radio no so ɛti sɛ ni aba wo ba ne ya kyerɛkyerɛ
mo twetwe na nipa no ase ba na maso ana se den
wo de wo am say wo kan radio so bebre ntimi nyegi sa
okay mame na wase
yes ya dasi
process no ho a ne kanede
ojo entino se say Ghana high so bia ne kwa fa so de nya ne sika te say de ya betena ha ye kwan yi
ahodo miensa
obi so de enso we dona into odidi no ame no aye twetwe na ne ba bia hyehye
adani adwuma
okwa no akoyi ato obam adani no agile sika no de atoka no dem money so
na nya no obi se ye de no kwa abrechi no
your friend phone number na
obi se no enu na de na pie mo abrechi
no ye no nipa no ntimi ewo ye no abefa ne kwa abrechi
ne yokoto so
ni nyina mu no ne ehu ane ne ye ka no wunya obi a obe ha adwen a na obi a why na just obi na madwuma
na se de pe bia ha adwen depending on how you treat the person
the eye ne one doctor din komono on se nipa ne ba obi okra na onim nipa kro eti no nipa na obeye no ohun nipa ye de man na nipa ye de man no so ohun nipa na obeye no eti eno an se obebon pa se otribe yi na nipa kro na obeyi to ho no na so nya den te se nipa bia mini momo
o da bi send
na se okowo akwada bi te se nipa bia mini momo pa ba ofia
a relative
wanga sa obete paw
a relative
obe kwanya wa ya kompo kra be yo
all right enti donation
ka unya bi abeya na
Ayo 5 so be.
Oh, and there's a young one.
Na why dey na one?
Oh no, or can we hear young one?
Ayo mama Facebook comments.
Or say see when you be obey. No, and young one, are you at the young one? Now, Cathy.
Look at decent sperm, yes, sir.
On Quachaki and Mujahan would you know?
And you that's a radio Adom. Oh, Nasa Oko, now Quadai could tell you one muja.
At some corner,
there was one.
And no near who know. If you say, a be a mate, now Bapana, Petit.
Okay, Farah Martin said, Doctor, let them know it's not free. We know it's not free. The business is good, oh, please. Can I get the numbers? Isaac Kwabena. Okay, Ernestina. If you are doing it in Ghana, it's better both of you don't see each other. I agree with you. Please, I won't know the number. I can call through.
I don't know, free true. No, what
donate?
Okay, make us be here.
Okay. Before the person donates, there should be paperwork that would emphasize that the donee would have nothing to do with a child in the future. I'm not sure we have the laws here now in this country.
Because Niakaka kono wan hwe den bibisa beba.
Na ade ehu ne say
Bibisa say is this one good for God? Eyema nyame.
Eno iji ye nya asofo.
Na say spam ni nyame na boy.
Ji nya asofo na ebise otie doctor no say ya adoye. Ya adoye no mu donation. You are donating
business. Na on for ye. Enya adoye bi un. Otie abranti message ode buy was mo mu say enye kwa.
This year the wura hunhum ne hwa de hunhum
wi ase. Akwada obi awo no kura no oye oba. Wo hwa wo de yi na yi. Na me ma spend no fe ofiru yemba de afi na be bisam so ofiri nyame. My neighbor has 3 children and she got them from a donor. The oldest is 20 and the other 2 are twins who are almost 19. Liz,
I'm not for be wire Rumunian pe.
Captain.
Okay, now I understand. Guy, not send a question. Go say on why 8 times.
8 times.
Yes.
Wow.
Unim de oka.
Captain.
I think we should look for him.
Nienti na make say meba Captain yabote. Australia die bi aba. Yes, ehonum no bi ko donate bi. O donate ne sperm no de ma obi. And a mansion ba won se ne make ya o. And a court ne say near o ye donation no donor no akola ne ye ne ba ya gena ma no.
Say ye ne ba.
Semra ma ho a semra ya nse o ma bia ne mra because Germany so no Germany for de ne say yes wo donate wo yes a donation no say wo ye donor no wi a eno anu ni obi ani asem bia but we another country ye tumi really say ye donor no ba it say ye de no mra ma ho a ye yanya hwe emma kura kari amanfo mama emre bia ni ho emma na omukọ omusi o yanya IVF se den no ebi tumi de nkwala 5 gu omuyem the risk e wo ho no emre bia ni ho ti ni obi afa ne wo ye ebra so say ye hye wo ho
so that's it
na edien na sorry ne asoma hodo no so kafa ho
fertility centers in baby why sorry there
oda ochina yanku yenwura hunhum wi ase nwa de
ode enya ne china echi
yes I was here.